how to buy crypto on crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on crypto.com. Now, the process itself actually is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to buy crypto on crypto.com, first you want to open up your crypto.com wallet, and once you open it up you should get an interface somewhat like this. Now at the very top you can see your balance, right? Now first you'll have to have balance on your crypto wallet, or else you can fund in on your crypto wallet. Now I'll make a separate video on how you can add money, but you should know how you can add it. Or you can add your card by tapping on card icon at the bottom right corner that you can see there, and you can add your credit or debit card and use it as a payment method as well. So once you have funded your crypto wallet, what you want to do is you want to tap on the crypto logo that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll get various options. At the very bottom you will see the buy option just above the cross icon there. Simply tap on buy. Once you tap on buy, now you'll get the list of cryptocurrencies there. You can select, you can tap one of the crypto that you want to buy, and once you select the cryptocurrency, you'll be headed to cryptocurrency detail page. Right there you'll get three different options, that is buy, sell and transfer. Simply tap on buy, add in the details, and you'll be able to buy it. So this way you can buy crypto on crypto.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.